In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get today's date in Excel using the Today function. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and make sure you can see the grid clearly. In this tutorial, we are going to place today's date into a specific cell, which helps you keep your spreadsheet up to date automatically. This is especially useful for reports, trackers, and any sheet that needs the current date without manual typing. Now click on cell A2. As soon as you click it, you will see a highlighted outline around that cell, and its address should be visible in the name area or near the top left of the spreadsheet. Take a moment to confirm you are using a 2 and not another cell, because the Today function will insert the date exactly where you place it. After you select cell A2, you are ready to type the formula. Click into the formula bar area, or simply start typing while the cell is selected. You want to enter the function exactly as Excel expects it, including the parentheses. The instruction is to type equals today with parentheses, like this. Equal sign today, te. So type equal sign today, te, into cell A2. As you do this, pay attention to the spelling and the parentheses. The word today should be in uppercase or lowercase. Excel will usually accept it either way, but the key is that the function reads as today followed by parentheses. If you accidentally leave out the parentheses, Excel may not recognize it as the correct function, so it is best to be careful here. Next, press Enter. This is the step that tells Excel to evaluate the function and display the result. When you press Enter, Excel instantly calculates the current system date based on your computer settings. Then it writes that date into cell A2. Now look at cell A2. You should see a date appear immediately. This is the current date at the time you ran the function. The important benefit is that you do not have to type the date manually, which reduces errors and saves time. Also, because it uses a function, it is designed to stay connected to the concept of today, rather than being a fixed date you typed once and forgot to update. At this point, it helps to understand what you are seeing. The Today function returns a value that Excel treats as a date. That means it is not just text. It is a real date value that Excel can use in calculations, sorting, and filtering if you build additional formulas later. For example, you could compare that date with other dates in your workbook, or you could use it as part of a formula to determine how many days have passed. If you ever wondered why Excel does this so quickly, it is because the Today function is built in. You only need to enter it once, and Excel handles the rest. You can also copy the formula to other cells if you want to track multiple dates in different places. But for this task, our focus is just cell A2. To recap everything clearly, you clicked cell A2, typed equal sign today s, and pressed Enter. Then Excel displayed the current date directly in that cell. And if you run the function again on a different day, you will see a new current date based on the current time when you evaluate the formula. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.